Look at this dummy. I was driving over the bridge going the speed limit, and this guy's telling me to slow down and get off his jamming on his brakes trying to make me hit him. So now I'm just following him. He keeps giving me the finger and stuff, jamming on his brakes in front of me when I'm doing the speed limit. Like, people are comical. So I'm just following him, trying to scare him, right? He ain't giving me the finger no more. Now he's like, damn, is this guy following me? Guys, 40, and he's hitting his brake lights in front of me, trying to stop in front of me. I'm just gonna follow him. I've been past my house, but I'm gonna have fun because I ain't got nothing else to do today. Look at him. Look at this, you guys. Scared to death, you guys. He took off. He running from me, man. He gone up the street, way up there, you guys. He's scared. I'm still chasing him. He turned. I went on that little cars in the way. Where'd he go? Oh yeah, look. Oh, he coming for me, you guys. He coming.
Look here. Record your buddy. Oh yes, because you're so powerful and big, and you're a piece of Pontiac. Look. Pontiac, whatever, man. You got me all
in the
worked up.
San Sentra, buddy.
Oh, no difference, man.
I just follow you to have some fun and quit your day, you know.
If that's the type of person
I ain't gonna get out and beat you up or nothing. I ain't gonna do that.
We're both better than that.
Yeah, I know. I just wanted to follow you and with you.
Well, you did want to follow me. You followed me on purpose, did you?
Just to with you.
Oh, perfect.
I had to.
Awesome.
I had to.
What I'm gonna tell you.
Someone's trying to get in your neighbor.
That's not my problem. It's your fault. So you drive like.
Oh
and
yeah.
Don't tailgate people.
So why can't I do the speed limit?
Of course you can. I was going 74, dude.
I was going less than that.
You were going.
You know what you shouldn't do?
I couldn't even see.
You know what you shouldn't do?
I couldn't even see.
Jam on your brakes in front of people to try to make them rear end you. Because if I would have rear-ended you, I would have gotten out and beaten you up.
I didn't slam my brakes down.
Okay, you were hitting your brakes a lot.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And like I said, if I would have hit you, I would have hit you with more than my car. With more than my car.